Hi everyone, my name is Ricardo and I represent RSM Property Care and Refresh. We know how difficult it is to get an estimate or a budget estimate for repairs and maintenance on your property, and that is obviously before you're getting in multiple quotations. So we've made it easier by designing an online estimator app or tool that allows you to then budget for your repairs and also do the booking for those repairs. Let's head over to the browser and open rsmpropcare.com. Then click on this instant estimate button over here. Then within 4 steps you can get an instant quote. So I'm going to select a property. Let's just look at Simonstown and let's select some random address. You can either select it like I've demonstrated now, or you could actually physically type in the address right there. I'm going to click on the roof to draw and outline it. So I'm just going to click on the corners. When you get to the last one, you just double click and it should close up that area. Gives me the square meterage estimate. Click next. Then you've got instant quote section that gives you an immediate pricing, whereas the other categories over here requires a physical inspection. So I'm going to click on painting. When I say I'm going to do the roof, I'm going to select between the two modes, labor only or complete. Complete includes all the material. Then you have 3 paint packages: budget, standard, premium, with the associated lifetime warranties for those paints. I'm going to click on the budget option and let's select that roof. Paint over there and click next. Select the preferred service date, generate estimate, and then you have the labor component over here and the material component over here, and that's the total cost to have that roof pressure washed, prepared with primer, and painted with 2 coats for that particular paint that was selected, the Dulux Rock acrylic roof paint. And then you click on proceed to booking and you'll include your details, select what role you play, whether you're the homeowner, landlord, estate manager, property owner, or restaurant owner, sorry, if it's a restaurant, and all of that roles defines what you have access to in the owner portal once you accept the quotation. So it's over here, and this portal is like a service book record for your property, where all the maintenance done on your property gets logged, and also the before and after photos. So that's just a brief introduction to the app that we've designed to make it easier for you to budget for expenses and perhaps possibly utilize RSM Property Care to render the various maintenance tasks and projects that you might have. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you using our quotation tool in the near future. Bye bye.